All right, so baby's cooking fried fish in here on the deep fryer. She just got through dropping it in the grease. And I'm cooking outside on a little portable grill. We're gonna see how that's going. What do you think, babe?
I think they got already.
All right, so this is me outside doing it in a little portable grill, propane grill. Now, mind you, I'm only doing just one fish, just to try it out. So we're gonna see how it do, because I want to take this to work and start cooking my food at work. And get ready to flip it in a minute. It's gonna be kind of hard to do it with me holding the phone though. All right, I just flipped it. She coming out here to see how I'm doing. Next time I'm gonna use just regular butter instead of olive oil. So I just flipped it over again. I had it up too high, it looked like too. But it's looking good. It's definitely gonna be crispy. And looking at it, I did have the flames up too high. Like I said, it's my first time trying out this setup. Just flip it over one more time. Not bad. Of course, this is sway fish that I'm out here cooking. Alrighty, I think I might have it enough. Done enough. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take it off. And turn it on off. Is that cool? Let me get a little cut open. Yep, the meat is done. Get a little taste test right quick. That's hot. The meat is done. It's good. Not bad, really good. Wanna try it? It is good, huh? So that's it. The Little Grill beats the deep fryer.